Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip with a friend. No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you're seeing octopus in the neighborhood, surfing on a sound wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at Human Testing, take your second right at Mars on the magic scuba. Alligator nostril, climb on the magic scuba. Spank a plankton too, on our magic scuba. Drop the river of lava on the magic scuba. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your buttons right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the magic scuba. Step inside, it's a wilder ride. Come on, ride on the magic scuba.
Animals who need the sun to warm up their bodies are called cold-blooded. It doesn't mean these cold-blooded iguanas are cold, just that their bodies are the same temperatures as the air around them. For most amphibians and reptiles, like this crocodile, who's cooling off in the water with its egg, that works just fine. But maybe not for this little lizard whose feet are burning up on the sand. He's out of here. This mother frog's tadpoles were born underwater. In fact, most amphibians, like frogs and salamanders, lay their eggs underwater so that their eggs don't dry out. But once they're grown, you can find amphibians anywhere, even gliding from trees, like this flying frog. Reptiles, on the other hand, like iguanas, skinks, and turtles, lay their eggs up on the land. When the babies hatch, their scaly skin keeps them moist, even in the desert.
A mammal is a warm-blooded animal with fur, like foxes, seals, and zebras. Mammals come in all shapes and sizes, from little to giant. Some live on land and some live in the sea. But no matter where they live, all mammals breathe air. When mammal babies are born, they don't hatch from eggs. They're born live right from the mother. Mammals take really good care of their babies, and they feed them milk, just like these cheetahs.
Some of the coolest and tastiest invertebrates live in the sea. Clams, crabs, and shrimp have shells to protect their slimy bodies. But some soft, slimy sea creatures protect themselves by having bright colors and tasting really bad. Their colors advertise, "Don't eat me." Sea slugs are as beautiful as butterflies and really squishy. They eat prickly sponges and stinging anemones. Spiders, like this hairy tarantula, have fangs and 8 legs. These invertebrates spin sticky webs with their silk. All spiders are carnivores. Some hunt down their prey by jumping on them on the ground. And some, like this one, wait in their web. Bam! Moth dinner. Or she can wrap it up with her silk and save it for a midnight snack.
This is a bird, and this is a bird, and this is a bird. If there's one thing all birds have in common, it's feathers. In fact, they're the only animals that have feathers. Birds also have hollow bones and very light beaks instead of heavy teeth. And why do you think everything about them is so light? So they can fly. But not all birds can fly, like this big ostrich and these penguins. But most birds, all they have to do is flap their wings and take to the sky.
Everyone knows that fish live in water, but what exactly is a fish? All fish have backbones, they breathe through gills, they're cold-blooded, and they have fins that help them swim. Some fish live only in salty water, and some only in fresh water, but not the salmon. When it's young, the salmon swims out to the ocean. Then when it grows into an adult fish, it swims back to the freshwater river where it was born and lays its eggs. Believe it or not, this is a baby kangaroo. It was just born, and it's crawling up to its mother's pouch where it will nurse and grow. Animals that have pouches are called marsupials. Koalas are also marsupials. So are bandicoots, honey possums, and the tree kangaroo. Most marsupials call Australia home, including this cute potaroo. Kangaroos live all over Australia. They are great jumpers and can leap 30 feet in the air. The kangaroo babies, or joeys, can jump into their mom's pouch head first. These marsupials live in herds like deer. They kickbox for play and when they fight. There are 45 different kinds of kangaroos living in Australia.
Some crawl, some fly, but all have antennae and 6 legs. So what are they? Insects. Creepy, crawly, camouflaging insects. Some insects, like this dung beetle, are huge. Some are so tiny, you need a microscope to see them. The one fact that bugs me about insects is there are more insects in the world than any other animal family.